everyone, welcome back to my channel, City and a Blonde. My name is Amanda. Today, I'm so excited. If you've been watching my Instagram, you would see that I had ordered a butcher box and I'm so excited. Oh, I can't wait. I just started eating red meat after almost 5 years and best decision I did was start eating red meat again. But yes, so I'm going to do an unboxing and see what's in here. They have different packages and I chose the all beef package and they put whatever they want in it. I didn't choose what of meat I got. But they are doing a special where if you order right now, then you get free chicken wings for the life of your membership. So it's pretty good. So I got a mix, technically. But yes, so if you don't know what Butcher Box is, it's a meat subscription from a butcher and runs monthly, and then it's just a package of meat and it delivers straight to your door. So excited because this is going to save me so much time, especially living and money, especially living in New York. Meat is so expensive, and also it's not even just like the expense having to carry all of those groceries on the train. No thanks. And on top of that, this meat is grass-fed and grass-finished. So there's hardly any options in New York to get grass-fed and finished. The only place I've ever seen grass-fed and finished is Whole Foods, and it's like $22 a pound, which is insane. It's so insane. Getting a butcher box that came out to like $9 or $10 a pound, so I'm saving a lot of money. And it delivers directly to my door, so alright, I'm so excited. Let's see what is in here. I don't really know what to expect. There's mixed reviews. Ooh. There's dry ice. Oh, it's cold. Oh man, it's really cold. Oh my god, it's full to the top. Full. Look at this. Holy smokes, that's a lot of meat. I'm so excited. All right, so this, yay! This is the bottom of the round roast. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I promised my boyfriend that when this gets delivered to my house, I'm gonna bring it to his house and make him a nice roast. So he'll be excited. Yay, okay. What is this? This looks good. Ooh, sirloin tips. Oh my god, that looks so good. 2 pounds of ground beef. That's always good. Another 2 pounds of ground beef. I ordered an extra pound. I had a $15 off coupon, and 2 pounds of ground beef is $15, so I got 2 pounds of ground beef for free technically. But I do have a code. I'll put it in the link below. It's a $30 off coupon. It's $30 off coupon, free shipping, and then if you order before, I don't know, a certain date, I don't know how long the promotion is going for the free wings, but yeah, so it'll save you a lot of money. Oh, yes. These are ribeyes, 2 ribeye steaks. Hey. Let me get this. Oh, it's a tri-tip. Yum. So I'm still learning the cuts of meat because I haven't eaten meat in so long. And then this is the chicken. Wow. Organic, no antibiotics ever. Awesome, non-GMO. Yay, so that's what was in the box. I'm so excited. So I got 3 pounds of wings, 4 pounds of ground beef. Here's 4 pounds. Oh, my hands are cold. This is the tri-tip. Yep, tri-tip. 2 ribeye steaks. And sirloin tips. I'm so excited to cook these. And then this is the The round roast. Yes. Wow, so it's a lot of meat delivered straight to my door, and I don't have to go anywhere. I'm so excited. Well, okay. So there's a lot of mixed reviews about ButcherBox, that they take forever to deliver. When they do deliver it, it's thawed out, and that's clearly not the case. I'm not saying they're lying or anything, but everybody has their own experience. It's clearly not the case for me. I just ordered mine. I just got the email yesterday that it shipped out, and it's here today. So I was expecting it to be here by Friday, and today's Wednesday. And yeah, you can see that they're still frozen. Like, even the ice is still frozen. The ice isn't even melted. So yay! They do offer monthly service. I don't know if I'll be able to eat all of this meat in 1 month. Maybe, who knows? But if you don't eat all of the meat in the month, or if you find a deal at your grocery store and you decide to buy from your grocery store or something, they allow you to delay your subscription. So you can do one subscription every 4 weeks, one subscription every 6 weeks, or you can wait 2 months and do it. So you can do it every other month. So I think it's a really good deal, especially because grass-fed and finished meat is extremely expensive in New York. So yay! I know. And then also, if you remember, they give you discounts, different deals. So you have a membership deals that they don't offer to everybody else. And for my next box, I ordered, what was it? Like the beef skewers, chopped like chunks. It was 16 ounces for $9, which is a great deal, I think, because I was looking at different meat subscriptions, and they do 16 ounces for $12. So yeah, I think that's a good deal. And I'm not sure how much it is at grocery stores. Probably, who knows, $20 for 16 ounces. It's crazy. All right, well, yay! I'm so excited. Let me know what you think. Let me know your experience with ButcherBox. And if you want to try it out for yourself, click a link so you can save $30. So you would have gotten all of this meat for $100. That's a good deal. But yeah, so click the link. I'll put my social links below, and then you can keep track. I'm getting ready to start the carnivore diet, and so this is my first step in starting that. If you don't know what the carnivore diet is, do your research. If you want me to do a video on the carnivore diet, let me know, and I will do one. It's all new to me. Like I said, I just started eating meat again after almost 5 years. And so it's going to be a new journey. If you want to follow me on this journey, you can follow me on Instagram. I'm going to be posting more about it and posting my transition and posting my before and afters and just the general journey. But yeah, I'll put my social links below. All right, thanks. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.